Find or read reviews that people are talking about Docutca Mini Projector with Android 11, Portable Projector, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, Smart Projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Built-in dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 Smart Projector. HY300 Pro Portable Projector uses the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, higher transmission rate and lower latency than 5G, a few seconds will be wirelessly synchronized to get a big screen. No additional adapter required. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 chip, the projector allows you to connect the ideal Bluetooth speaker/headphone at any time and save every detail of the sound effect to offer you different sound scenes. 4K support and 8000 lumens and 130-inch giant screen. This smart projector with high-resolution 720p Full HD native and 1080p 4K support, good brightness 200 ANSI, 8000 lumens, contrast ratio 10,000:1, which can deliver sharp and clear images, ensuring that visual content is displayed with precision and detail. The 130-inch giant screen provides a more immersive viewing experience, allowing you to feel like you're in a cinema, fully immersed in movies or other entertainment content. Android 11 and built-in speaker. This mini projector built-in Android 11 operating system, allowing effortless access to a wide range of content without the need for additional devices. You're equipped with the latest technology and software updates, ensuring compatibility with upcoming services for years to come. You can easily connect wireless speakers, headphones, or soundbars to the projector, enhancing the audio quality and creating a more immersive viewing experience. 180 degrees rotatable and auto horizontal trapezoid correction. This smart projector features a 180 degrees rotatable design, allowing you to point the 180 degrees tilted projector in various directions, including the ceiling. You can point the projector at your bedroom ceiling and lie in bed watching the movie. With auto horizontal keystone correction and manual trapezoid correction functions, can help you easy to set up trapezoidal image with correct proportions and angles. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.